area is Qasim port area. Now we are going to near beach there. But this area is some water is dirty here because the powerhouse there. But we have to go about 10 kilometers more, right? That's 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers more we are going to reach there in the seaside, sea view. And today we will see seaside and beautiful area in here in Qasim port. Kindly this way is like that. Is a rough road, nothing, but is right now we have to about half kilometer and we are reach in the seaside sea view. Exactly right now we are reach near in the seaside sea view. Very nice beach. Qasim port hai na? Near Qasim port in Karachi. Many families come to visit here and swimming beach and very clean area. Sunny dust and sand and sea view, beautiful. And right now I have to check this water is cold or not. Hot water and cool water, I don't know, I have to check. Very nice. Yeah, there was a very nice beach near Qasim port. Beautiful and very clean water. Available and many people, many visitors. Today actually is a little family, but sometimes it's more too much busy this area, this beach. right now we are going to there. Mazar Hasan Shah. This Mazar Hasan Shah is near seaside beach. Port Qasim, near Port Qasim, seaside beach area is Mazar Hasan Shah. So right now we are going to together is my friend and me going to there. This is the way up, going to up and going to Mazar Shah. Yes, very nice beach, beautiful. And right now we are reaching Mazar Sharif. Hasan Mazar Sharif. Sayyid Shah Hasan Sarkar. Going, but I today come visit here. I don't know actually, but this beach is very nice and beautiful. So right now we are here in Sir Sayyid Ali Shah Mazar, near in beach. This beach is very nice and very beautiful. This we will see down and very nice. Yes, right now we are inside this and right now I can see from here again seaside. The sea view. Very nice beach. And right now I exit from this Sayyid Hasan Ali Shah Mazar. I am going to down again.